In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete queues in HubSpot. First, let's begin by logging into HubSpot. You will see a clean interface that welcomes you. Look for the login fields where you will enter your credentials. Type in your email address and password, then hit the login button. This step is crucial because accessing your HubSpot account is the gateway to managing your tasks effectively. Once you're logged in, you can navigate through the platform's features to streamline your workflow. After logging in, you should see your dashboard filled with various options tailored to your needs. Next, head over to the CRM section by locating the CRM option in the main navigation menu. Once you click on it, you will be directed to a new page that showcases various CRM functionalities. In this space, you'll find the Tasks section. Click on Tasks to proceed. This is an important area because it allows you to manage all your tasks and queues efficiently. By selecting tasks, you are setting the stage for queue management. You should now see a list of tasks currently in your HubSpot account. Now, let's focus on the queues dropdown. Look for the queues dropdown menu, usually located at the top of the tasks page. Click on it to reveal a list of your existing queues. This dropdown is essential for managing how tasks are organized in your HubSpot account. Queues help you prioritize and categorize tasks, making your workflow smoother. Once you click on the drop-down, a list of queues will appear for you to choose from. From there, select the option called Manage Queues. Clicking on this will take you to a dedicated page where you can view all the queues you have set up. This page is significant because it gives you an overview of all your task groupings. You can easily identify which queues are active and which may need to be adjusted or removed. Once you are on this page, you will see a list of all your queues displayed clearly. After that, find the queue you want to delete. Scroll through the list until you locate the specific queue you wish to remove. It's important to take your time here to ensure you select the correct queue. Mistakenly deleting the wrong queue can lead to loss of organization and might disrupt your workflow. Once you find the queue, you can move on to the next step. Next up, click on the Actions button next to the queue you wish to delete. This button usually appears as 3 dots or a small drop-down arrow depending on your layout. Clicking this will reveal a menu of actions you can take regarding that queue. This step is crucial because it opens up the options necessary for managing your queues effectively. You will see various options including the one for deletion. Now click on Delete. A prompt will appear confirming your intention to delete the queue. This action is significant because it ensures that you are aware of the consequences of your choice. Deleting a queue can affect how your tasks are organized, so it is good to double-check before proceeding. After clicking Delete, you will see a confirmation message pop up, ensuring that you are making the correct choice. Finally, confirm the deletion. This step typically involves clicking a confirmation button like Yes or Confirm. By doing this, you are finalizing the removal of the queue from your HubSpot account. This is important because it prevents accidental deletions. Once confirmed, the queue will be removed and you will see a brief notification that confirms the deletion was successful. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a queue in HubSpot.